Hi gorgeous, welcome to Vital 7 Pilates. My name is Cassidy. I've been a Pilates instructor for over 20 years now, and I'm happy to be guiding you through this workout today. So we'll be doing the Scapular Forearm Push Up, which is designed to strengthen your serratus anterior, which is great for building shoulder strength and shoulder blade mobility. Even if you're familiar with this exercise, I encourage you to follow along with me through the whole thing. You may learn some new tips and tricks that will help you to master the movement and get better results. This exercise is perfect for beginners, so there's no need to worry if you're new to Pilates. All right, let's work together and get you feeling better in your body. You're going to start in a forearm plank position on your toes. You can wear your shoes if that's more comfortable. That's absolutely fine. The further away your feet are from the wall, the more challenging it will be. So you want to decide for yourself what feels best. You want to squeeze your glutes, pull your belly button towards the back of your spine so you're active in your booty and your belly. You want to have your elbows about in line with your shoulders. And then from here, you're going to let your shoulder blades move in toward the spine so you feel like you're sinking into your chest. And then you're going to push away and feel your shoulder blades move away from your spine. And you're going to repeat that. So you want to feel the movement of the shoulder blades, working the strength of your serratus, increasing the mobility of your shoulder blades, remembering to feel your glutes on, your deep abs on. Try to keep your head in line with your spine. Hopefully you're feeling that serratus working, using your breath. You want to do as many as you can because you want to build your strength, right? So you rest as soon as you need to. That's absolutely fine. If you feel any strain in your neck or you feel like your form is getting sloppy, you can rest. That's absolutely fine. Remember, you're building your strength. So where you're starting from is absolutely perfect. Let's do a few more here. Hopefully you're feeling the fatigue, feeling the heat. I know I am. One more here. Excellent. Nicely done. All right, you did it. Sweet. You're working on getting yourself stronger and more mobile. I love it. This exercise is designed to build your strength and increase your mobility. So wherever you start off today is absolutely fine. Go ahead and increase the reps that you do according to what is best and safe for your body. I want you to get the most out of this exercise. So leave a comment below if you have any questions or you're looking for modifications. I'm happy to help. So FYI, this is part 1 of 3. You can access part 2 in the description below or possibly at the end of the video. It will be waiting for you whenever you're ready, and I will meet you there. See you soon. Are you ready for exclusive content, early access to content, and other perks? Join us on Patreon. Click on the link in the description of this post for more. Special shout out to my Vital 7 stars. Thank you for making this video possible.